Hello friend, welcome back to Hawkstack channel. So in today's video we will learn about advanced cron scheduling. So the word will be advanced cron scheduling. So using /etc slash cron dot hourly /etc slash cron dot daily and /etc slash cron dot weekly and cron dot monthly like that in RHEL. This is very simple but powerful method to schedule the recurring task without writing complex cron expression. So what we can write it? This is very simple but powerful method to schedule recurring tasks without writing complex cron expression. So, what are /etc /cron directories? The second question will be arise because when we are talking about cron.hourly, cron.daily, so it will become from /etc/cron directory. So, what are /etc/cron dot directories? These directory are a special location where you can put a script to run automatic at fixed interval. What we can say about it? These directories are special. These directory are a special location where you can put scripts to run automatic at fixed interval. So these directory are a special location where you can put a script to run automatically at fixed intervals. Okay, it will be interval, not internals. So what are they are? So we can mention there /etc/cron dot hourly. This is responsible for runs every hour. Then the second location /etc/cron dot daily. So it will responsible for runs once a day. Then /etc/cron dot weekly. It will be for runs once a week. Similarly, /etc/cron dot monthly. It will responsible to run once a month. So RHL automatic run these script using a system-wide Crontab. So we can check step by step with the examples. What are the examples that we can include there? So check system cron job for these directories if you want to check about it. So you can check with the help of location will be cat etc cron tab cat etc cron tab. So in this area, it's showing you means about your job. Okay, so line will be there. So these will be the information about it means in which format you have to mention the jobs there, and the people can create their jobs in the /etc/cron tab location. So what the jobs we can mention? We are going to create a script there so that we can understand it in a easy way. So we are going to create a script for hourly task. So for creating a script for hourly task, vim etc cron dot hourly. Okay, this will be the location, and that location we are mentioning hourly backup. You can mention any name. So we are mention hourly hyphen backup. After it, enter. In this file, so give the value, open again, vim etc cron dot hourly, then hourly backup. Now write again hash, then shebang bin bash. Why? Because we are creating a script. That's why. Then echo values will be there, just like hourly backup at dollar, and then in a bracket there will be date. So this information, if you want to store in any specific location, so you can mention there what the location, just like slash var slash log slash hourly backup hourly backup dot log. So it will going to store in the location. You should give the carefully location. Location is slash var slash log slash hourly hyphen backup dot log. After it, save this data. Saved. After saving it, you have to make it executable. If you just check about it that it is executable or not, so you will find etc cron dot hourly backup. So it is still not executable. You can check here in the permission section. So for running a script, you have to make it executable. To make executable, okay. For making executable, what we have to do? You have to give the permission. By which method? Chmod. Chmod u plus x, then etc cron dot hourly, then hourly backup. You can mention like that. So it will be executable form. So this will log the time every hour. It will create the log for every hour. Then the next, we are creating the script. We are creating the script for daily task. Okay. For the daily task, if you have to create the uh, schedule, then what we have to do? We are creating a script vim slash etc slash cron dot daily, then daily. So you can also press the tab button in order to see the auto completion. Then give a file name daily cleanup. So now it will allow you to clean the file. So for cleaning the file, first we have to write the shebang. So in insert mode, hash, then bang sign, bin bash. Now what is the content you have? You have to find slash tab in the temp directory, type f file hyphen m time plus one, delete. Then echo daily cleanup done at dollar date, and after it save, we are saving in the location var log daily cleanup dot log. So data is going to store in this place, cleanup related. Save it. Then you know that this file is also required the executable. So to make executable, you have to give permission. If you want to verify, you can verify by using the ls-l, then location will the cron dot daily, then daily cleanup. You will find that it is not executable. So you will give in chmod u plus x, then etc cron daily, the daily cleanup. Now if you check again, you will find that execute permission is applied on it. So what will be the task of the new script that you have created? So this will clean the slash temp daily and log it. Means it will create a log. Okay. If you want to verify the execution, verify the execution. So for verifying the execution, you will check your log. What will be the log? Var log hourly backup.log. This will be your file. It will be created after executing it, means the script you have created. So when it will be execute, the file will be created and data will be going to store there. So first will be this location and second will be the var log, then daily cleanup.log. So this will be the location from where you can verify it. So now we will talk about what is the benefits of using /etc/cron. What will be the benefit? Benefit will be first, no need to edit Cron tab manually. Easy to manage schedule tasks and script. So easy to manage schedule task as a script, because you have seen that in this example when we are creating for the daily and for the hourly. So in the both cases we have mentioned the scheduling. We are scheduling with the help of script. Now what will be the third benefits will be there? Best for system wide repetitive task. Then less chance of syntax error. So these benefits we will achieve. What is the benefits if you want to repeat? First, no need to edit the cron tab manually. Easy to manage scheduled task as a script. Best for system-wide repetitive task. Less chance for the syntax error. And what are the notes? Means important information for us that we should always take care about it. The important notes will be first. First understandable will be that a script must be executable. If it is not executable, it will not going to run. So always take care of applying chmod plus x sign so that it will be executable. Then a script should not have file extension for the best practices. Then make sure script runs successfully manually before placing in cron directory. Make sure a script runs successfully manually before placing in cron, so that you will be sure about it that after cron it will be run, because maybe there are some problem in your script. If normally script is not running by using the manual method, so how it will be work in cron? That's why before making into cron, it will be good if you just aware about it that it is working or not. So we are just going to see what's the summary, means what the things we have discussed till now, or it is making as a recap that what the things we have seen till now. We have seen till now about the location /etc/cron dot hourly. In that location, we have seen that it will be responsible to run at the every hour. Then we have seen about /etc/cron dot daily, which is responsible for the daily task. Then what we have seen that scripts placed here run automatic. Then we have seen scripts must be executable. Otherwise, it will not going to work. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.